Go.
Jump, Daniel. Jump.
Jump, Daniel. Ah! Daniel, jump! Look at the gazelle in the wilderness.
Like a gazelle on the roof.
This is what we call a house cat.
It's top of the roof.
Jump, kitty, jump!
No, kid. Hey, don't jump. Don't jump, kid. Hey.
What are you waiting for?
Jump, Daniel!
Hey, what are you waiting for? You're bending the roof.
Shh.
Get back in here. Y'all got this.
Hurry, jump. Just jump. Go. Jump, dude. Hurry. Hurry, jump. Hold it, girl.
I'm holding it, idiot.
Don't be a sissy. Come on.
It's right there.
Just jump off, you sissy.
Jump in the dirt. He's getting like that close and he'll stop. Jump in the dirt.
He's like this far away.